In front of me is a ZTE V9, and I will show you how to access the download mode. And to do so, we'll start by powering up the device. So hold the power key and select power off and tap on OK. And from here, we're going to hold power key and volume down. So these two. And keep holding them. And right now we're in download mode. So that is basically how you access it. And if you want to leave this mode, you would have to take out the battery because there's no other way. So I'm just gonna demonstrate. You will basically gonna move this out of the way. You have this little place where you can put your fingernail till like so, till it comes off, and just take out the battery from here, like so, and put it back in. I'm not gonna put on the cover at the moment. No, the buttons are here, so as you can see, it's powering back on. So I just put in the battery back and press the power button, but because there's no cover, I needed to like press the tiny little button there. And as you can see, it's back on. So that is how you access the download mode on this device, and also how you leave it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.